Bagels in just over a minute. Let's go. We're going to start with some high protein bread flour, add in a packet of yeast, add some salt, some sugar, put it into a stand mixer before adding in your water. Let the machine do its thing, let it mix and mix and mix until it looks something like this. Super soft and supple, really smooth, and it doesn't stick to your hands. Give it a spank, make a ball come out of thin air, lube up the bowl, and fold the dough back into itself until it's a little ball. Now we're going to let it rest for room temperature for about 1 hour. It's been a good boy, so we'll give it a little pat for good luck. Cut up the dough into little portions. You don't have to use a scale, absolutely not necessary. You can do it if you want, like I did. Now we're going to roll it out into a little log, seal up the seams, and give it a little roll again. Once it's about length, we're going to twist it against itself just like this. Roll it against your hand and give a little squeeze before rolling it back on a counter just to seal everything off again. And there you go, have a bagel, not that hard. Place the bagels on a baking tray and let them proof for half an hour. Here's a little time lapse. I always find it very satisfying to watch. After the bagels have finished proofing, I boil them in a mixture of baking soda and honey, and they should be floating. If they don't, you've got a problem, start again. Once the bagels have finished boiling, top them with your favorite seasoning and place them in a preheated oven for about 20 minutes. And once they come out, this is what they look like. Enjoy.